Welcome back, I'm the Craft Wizard and today we will be making Floo powder. So, for this video you will need your Floo powder. I made this out of some compost, flour, sugar and glitter, glue, a jar with a lid, a piece of string and your label. Like that. So, first thing you need to do is to take your label and jar, which you should have already made, and glue it on. I find that just Pritt stick works well, but you could always glue it on with double-sided sellotape or PVA or anything like that. So there we go, that label's been put on like that. Next, I've got this piece of string with this sort of plait at the end, which you'll need to tie around the top. Like actually I'm going to put that around the top of the bottle. So I've just made this paper funnel and pour your Floo powder through the funnel and into the bottle. You'll need quite a lot. It will look good when it's finished. So there we go, I've put in my Floo powder, as you can see. Then finally, push the lid down and tie your string around if this is what you're putting it on. Yeah, so there's your Floo powder finished. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. Bye! As always, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and remember, keep crafting!